Hi, my name is Brittany and I'm educator here at Ultimate Salon Professionals. Today on Sydney, we're going to be doing a Cruella de Vil inspired look from the recent release. So for this look, it's very simple, but it's also a lot different than the original Cruella de Vil. For this look, we're going to make sure that we're parting it right down the middle, and there's going to be a lot of texture and a lot of curl. I'm going to be prepping her hair with the Enjoy Thermal Spray. This is going to give us a lot of hold with our curl and also some definition in there. It's also going to protect from the heat. I'm going to be using two different irons. I'm going to be using a tapered wand, and this is going to have a more organic curl to it as opposed to a normal curling iron. And I'm also going to be using a flat iron just to smooth out right at the base of her hair. I'm going to start in the back, and I'm just going to be doing some horizontal sections. I'm going to smooth right at the scalp of the hair. And while I do this, I want to be mindful of keeping it separated down the middle. And then I'm going to be going in with the tapered wand and wrapping the hair. I've gotten up about 2 panels here, and I'm going to start teasing at the base. We want to have some volume in there for the curls to be able to rest and come out. Okay, so we've gone through and we've done some teasing and some curls. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make this a very fun, edgy kind of look by taking some of these curls and we're going to tease them. This is going to create some volume in the hair, some movement, and we want the hair to kind of go out this way. Again, we can use some of the Enjoy hair finishing spray. This is a good working spray. And this is going to give us that oomph that we need to pull off some Cruella de Vil. So now that we've done the curling and the teasing, there is no Cruella de Vil without half black and half white. We're just going to be using this white colored hairspray and doing half of it white and doing some makeup. So this is our final look of the latest rendition of Cruella de Vil.